Hi friends, welcome to Tech Stacks. In this video, we are going to see what are variables in JavaScript, how to declare it, how to initialize it, and what are the data types that are present in JavaScript, and what are the rules that we should remember while creating a variable in JavaScript. Let's get started. So, what are variables? Variables are the containers for storing data. You can assume it like a container that contains some value like 10, and that container which holds the data is a variable. Okay. So let's see how to declare a variable. There are basically three keywords by which we can declare a variable in JavaScript. One is by using where keyword. How to declare a variable? We declare it by using where keyword followed by the variable name and semicolon. That variable name could be anything like first name, last name, A, B, C, etc. Let's see the second one, let. It is also it also follows the same pattern, let followed by the variable name. Third one is const. So by the keyword itself, we can know that it will be a constant value. So const followed by the variable name. It must be initialized with some value while declaring it. Okay. What are the examples? You can see here like where first name, let last name, const x equal to 12. So variable assignment or initialization. So assignment means assigning the variable with some value. So that we do by using equal operator. So whatever the variables, whatever the uh, variables are present, whatever the things are present at the left hand side of the operator, left hand side of the equal operator, that should be some variable, and right hand side should be some value or some expressions. Okay. So first example is where first name equal to Sabita. So this is a where declaration. Second one is let last name equal to Nadar. So this is let declaration, and let is graduate equal to false. So it can also take value of a boolean, that is true or false. Okay, let example is done. So const x equal to 12. So we can assign, similarly, we can assign any type of value to the const variable also. So variable, here you can see that while declaring itself, we have assigned some value to that variable. So assigning some value to a variable during declaration is called variable initialization. Okay. So this four examples, first four lines which are there, it is an example of variable initialization. Last one, const sum. So this is, we are declaring a variable sum, and in the next line we are assigning some value. So that is called variable assignment. Got it? What are data types? Data types means the type of the data a variable can hold. So JavaScript provides two types of data types. One is primitive data type and another one is non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type is also known as reference data type. Let's see. Primitive types. Under primitive types, we have string, boolean, number, big int, null, undefined, symbol, date. And we have non-primitive types. They are arrays, objects, functions. Uh, we need to keep some of the points while declaring a variable. That is, we always should use a meaningful variable name. And variable name can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Example, first name, log12. So a letter followed by the number is okay, but a number followed by the letters cannot be a variable name. Okay, and dollar my money underscore last name. Names must begin with a letter. Example, first name. So as I said, the first letter of the variable should be a letter, or should be dollar, or should be underscore. Names can also begin with dollar and underscore. Example, you can see. Names are case sensitive. So small letter y and capital letter Y both are different. Both are not same. Reserved keywords we should avoid while declaring a variable, like type keyword, where keyword we can avoid. Let's see one example of variable declaration. We have used script inside head tag. Here we have functions. So already we had done that. On click of the button, we are showing hello JavaScript. So now I'm going to uh, create one variable inside this function, and instead of hello JavaScript, I will be showing that variable value. Okay. So so what I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize that variable with some value. That is variable initialization, where followed by the variable name, I'm going to give my text variable equals, I'm going to initialize some value to it. My name is Sabita. Okay. So I'm going to replace it with my text by semicolon. Okay. So let me run it, refresh it, click me. So it has changed. So my name is Sabita. It is present inside my text variable. So it is uh, getting displayed.